Hey guys, Beardicus here, the One Take Wonder. In this video I'm going to be looking at unboxing the latest FLIRC case for the Raspberry Pi 4. So with that said, let's have a look what's inside. So the box itself is really cool. If I can figure out how to open it, there's a sleeve, here we go. Now this has been sitting on my shelf for quite some time. I haven't had a chance to actually do anything with it yet, hence why this unboxing video. So we've got the FLIRC sleeve. There we go. All right, just a little invoice slip there. So, okay. Here is the case itself. There's nothing else in the box, I should say. I'll put that to the side for a second. All right, so you'll see here, there's all the ports for the Raspberry Pi 4. And you've got the aluminium there, plastic on top, plastic on the bottom. When you lift that off, you'll see inside you get a little bit of thermal pad there and a couple of screws. And that's pretty much it. You can, if you wanted to, there's little clips in there to separate the plastic top. Not that you probably would, because I like the aesthetic of that on top. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can attach the Raspberry Pi goes inside, and then the screws go through to the aluminium there. So yeah, pretty simple, but that is the FLIRC case for the Raspberry Pi 4. They've got a couple of different models on their website. One of them is the Kodi version, which I've got on the Raspberry Pi 3. Which I really enjoy because it just, yeah, if you're doing up a little media center box, then having, you know, the Kodi logo on there, I should say, is pretty appropriate. So yeah, anyway, I'm not gonna bother putting that away, but yeah, I'll leave links for them down in the description below. I'm gonna be doing something on the channel with this case. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to the TechWizTime channel. Otherwise, subscribe over here for more unboxings and random stuff. One take wonders, me rambling a little bit, this kind of video. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.